Hello students, in this class we will see the continued part of 3.2 exercise, pair of linear equations in two variable. First main we have seen by substitution method. We will see the second main and third main, the complete exercise. Okay. The second main is like this. Solve 2x plus 3y is 11, 2x minus 4y is minus 24. Find the value of m for which y equal to mx plus 3. Means first two equations you solve by normal substitution method. Once you get the x and y values, right, you substitute in y equal to mx plus 3, then get the value of m. Clear? Let's see. I'll solve here. I'll start from here. First get the equations 2x plus 3y equal to 11. 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. Call this as 1. Call this as 2. Substitution method we have seen. If not, if you don't know the substitution method, please follow the other video where I explicitly explained exercise 3.1 first main, which contains only substitution method. Here I'll solve for x in first equation. From 1, x equal to 11 minus 3y by 2. Okay, I'll call this as 3. Substitute this in 2. Substituting 3 in 2, we get, what do we get? 2 of, what is x? 11 minus 3y by 4 equal to plus minus 4y equal to minus 24. Okay. Now, sorry, it is 2, right? X is 11 minus 3y by 2. Now 2 get cancels. What do we get here? 11 minus 3y minus 4y equal to minus 24. So 11 minus 3y minus 4y is minus 7y equal to minus 24. I'll transpose 7y to the right side, take 24 to the left side. Therefore, 11 plus 24 equal to 7y. Therefore, 7y equal to 35. 7 1 ja, 7 5 ja, y equal to 35. Now put y value in equation 3, you get x. Therefore, substituting y equal to 35 in 3, we get x equal to 11 minus 3 of 35 by 2. 11 minus 35 3 times means 3 5 is a 15. 1 carry, 3 3 is a 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 2. Okay. Now, sorry, not 35, right? It is 5 only. My mistakes. 5. 3 5 is a 15 it is. 11 minus 15 is minus 4 by 2 minus 2. So x equal to, therefore x equal to minus 2. This is the solution. X equal to minus 2, y equal to 5. Once we find the x and y values, they again ask for value of m in equation y equal to mx plus 3. Okay, let's see that. Therefore, y equal to mx plus 3, you just write once, y equal to mx plus 3, then substitute the values. Y is 5, m of x is minus 2 plus 3, that is 5 equal to minus 2m plus 3. I'll take minus 2m to the left hand side, it will become 2m, 5 to the right hand side, that is 3 minus 5. So 2m equal to minus 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are, m equal to minus 1. Therefore, okay, it is an extended form, that's it. Once we solve for x and y, they gave another equation having x and y and one variable. You are asked to find the other variable, that is m here. Clear? We'll go to the next set of word problems here in this exercise main. Third one. 103rd one, let's see the first one. Form the linear equations first for the given word problems. Find the solution by substitution method. Means construct the equations, then solve it by substitution method. Let's see. The difference between two numbers is 26. That is, let the numbers be x and y. Let numbers be x and y. Therefore, according to given, what do we get? Difference between the numbers is 26. The one number is 3 times the other. One number is 3 times the other means x equal to 3y. Why cannot we take y equal to 3x? Just observe here in the first equation, x minus y is 26 means that's a positive 26. So therefore, x is always a bigger here. So y equal to 3x, if you write in this second equation, means y becomes bigger. So first statement will not be proper. So please understand here, this is a small concept here. Okay. Since x is bigger here, so we write x equal to 3y. So this is the equation 1 and 2. Solve it. Directly we have already x equal to 3y solved one. Therefore, from 1 we get, what do we get? X equal to 3y, right? 3y minus y equal to 26. Because you write from 2. Because we substituted in place of x 3y. So 2y equal to 26, 2 1 ja, 2 13 ja. Therefore, y equal to 13. Okay. Y equal to 13. Then you put that into, we get what? See, therefore, substituting this into, we get x equal to 3y, right? 3 into 13, 13 3 is a 39. X equal to 39. X equal to 39. Simple. Construction of equation is the only thing you have to understand. The rest substitution you have already the knowledge. Okay, we'll move to the next word problem. Second one, 3 2. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. Okay, larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller or the other one. Other one will be always smaller by 18 degree, right? So we don't know which is larger, which is smaller. We'll call it as let smaller supplementary angle be x degree, and let what the word they give, larger, right? Larger supplementary angle be y degree. Therefore, we'll write according to given. Before you start the equation formation, you always write according to given, because we cannot repeat whatever it is given again here. No need to repeat. The larger of two see, since they are told supplementary angles, right? The first equation we easily get. What is the first equation? Supplementary angle means sum of the angles will be 180 degree. First equation, though it is not given in the problem, we know that supplementary angle means sum of two angles is 180 degree. Now for the second angle, the equation you have to read the word problem. The larger of two angle, sorry, the larger of two angle here exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. You can take anything here. The larger is, I'll say y equal to x plus 18 degree. Substitute this. So from 1, what we get, instead of x plus y place substitute x plus 18. Therefore, x plus 18 is equal to 180 degree. You say from 2, because we substituted in place of y is x plus 18. Okay. Let's solve this. 2x plus 18 is equal to 180. That means 2x is equal to 180 minus 18 degree. 2x is equal to 162 degree. Okay. Cancel this. 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja 16, 2 1 ja. Therefore, x equal to 81 degree. Okay. Now, substitute this in 2, we get a y. Therefore, substituting this in 2, substituting this into, we get, what do we get? Y is equal to x plus 81, right? X means 81 plus 18, y equal to, when we add it, 99 degrees. Very simple. Please, I always tell, verify the answers. We know supplementary angle 180 degree, right? Together two angles, just add the angles what you got, it should make up 180 degree, right? Okay, we'll move on. So next question, third question. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for 3,800 rupees. Later, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for 1,750 rupees. Find the cost of each bat and the ball. We don't know the cost of each bat and ball. We'll assume it's x and y. Okay. Let the cost of each bat be rupees x. Let the cost of each ball be rupees y. Now we'll write according to given. According to given, see, the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bat and 6 ball. Means 7 bat means count of bat into cost of the bat. If you add that, and 6 balls means count of the ball into cost of each ball, will add up to 3,800 rupees. That means 7 bat means we have taken x rupees, right? 7x plus 6 balls means cost of the ball is y rupees. They together add up to how much? 3,800 rupees. 3,800 rupees. Sorry, not degree. It is 1. Similarly, 3 bat means 3x plus 5 balls. 5y equal to 1,750 rupees. So this is the equations 1 and 2. Now we will solve from 2. I'll solve for x. From 2, x equal to 1,500 minus 5y by 3. We call this as 3. Clear? Now substitute this in 1 because we took value of x from 2. Therefore, substituting this in 1, we get, what do we get? 7 of x means what? 1750. 1750 minus 5y by 3 plus 6y equal to 3800. Okay. Now open the bracket. 7 into 1750. 7 zeros is 0. 7 5s are 35. 3 carry. 7 7 is 49 plus 3, 52. 5 carry. 7 1 is 7 plus 5, 12. 1 2 250. This is whole actually, right? Minus. Now 7 5s are 35y by 3 plus 6y equal to 3800. Okay. Now you take the LCM here. So it becomes 3 LCM only. So 12250 minus 35 as it is plus 6 ones are means 1 here, 1 3s are 3, 3 6 are 18y, right? By 3 is equal to 3800. Okay, I'll write properly 33800. Now cross multiply and simplify at the same time. 12250 minus 35y plus 18y is 17y equal to 3800 into 3. So we'll write 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 8s are 24, 4 and 2 carry. Okay, 4 and 2 carry, 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11. Therefore, I'll transpose 17y to right hand side and 11 400 to left hand side. What it becomes? 12250 minus 11 400 equal to 17y. We subtract it. 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 0 5, 2 minus 4 8 means 12 minus 4, 11 minus 11 0 equal to 17y. Now 17 1s are 17 5s are 85. Okay, you should be knowing the table here. 17 is a prime number, so 17 5s are 85 and 0. Therefore, what is the y value here? Y is equal to 50. Okay, what is y value? It's a ball, cost of the ball. We'll write conclude later. Okay, now substituting this, you write it. Substituting this in 3, we get, what do we get? X equal to 1750 minus 50 into 5. 5 5 is 25. 250 by 3, that is 1750 minus 250 will come 1500 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 5 ja, 500. Okay, therefore x equal to 500. Once you get the final answer, rupees you write because unit is repeats. So y is 50 rupees, x is 500 rupees. So bat is x we call, right? Cost of the bat is x. Therefore just conclude at the end. Therefore cost of each bat, right? Cost of each bat, each bat is rupees 500. Similarly, cost of each ball is rupees y. What we got? 50. So proper, right? In real time life also we will have bat costlier than the ball. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Third main, fourth question. The taxi, this is a lifetime question, means in a real time also we will have the experience this type of questions. If you ask where do we use quadratic equation in life, see these examples, see these word problems. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. Means when you travel in an auto ride, there will be a meter set initially, say for 30 rupees. The distance is 2 kilometers. So first 2 kilometers, 30 rupees. Even if you travel less than 2 kilometers, you have to pay that fixed charge, 30 rupees. More than that, every kilometer there will be charge. Read the question again. For a distance of 10 kilometer, the charge paid is 105 rupees. And for a journey of 15 kilometer, charge paid is 155 rupees. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? So once you make a journey, say for example 10 kilometer, once the journey is completed, you are paying 105 rupees. That 105 rupees includes the fixed charge, say 30 rupees. Then for 2 kilometers, for rest of the 8 kilometers, how much it comes? 85 rupees. I'm just giving an example. If 30 rupees is a fixed charge, that is for 2 kilometers. So based on that knowledge, we are attempting this question. So we don't know the fixed charge per kilometer. First fixed charge we don't know, and charge per kilometer also we don't know. We'll assume the things. See, let the fixed charge be rupees X. Then let the cost per kilometer after fixed charge it is. Okay. After fixed charge be rupees Y. Now according to given readout for a distance of 10 kilometer, okay, fixed charge is X. For distance of 10 kilometer, which is Y rupees we assumed after the charge, which comes to 105. Okay, X plus 10Y is equal to 105. Then X plus 15Y, that is 15 kilometer with the variable charge, right, is 155. Please understand here, this is very important question which we regularly see, right? This is we call it as 1 and this we call it as 2. Now you substitute X equal to, I'll make out from 1 X equal to 105 minus 10Y. Again I'm telling, this is not hard and fast rule. Whichever you're comfortable, you solve that and then substitute in another one. Okay, so substituting this in 2, we get what? X is 105 minus 10Y, right? So X plus 15Y becomes 105 minus 10Y plus 15Y equal to 155. Okay. Now solve this. 105 minus 10Y plus 15Y is how much? 5Y equal to 155. Therefore, 5Y equal to 155 minus 105. 5Y equal to how much it comes? 50 rupees. Then cancel that. 5 1 ja, 5 10 ja, 50, right? Therefore, y equal to 5 10 ja, y equal to 10. So put a rupees symbol here. Y is 10. Now substitute this in 3, we get what? X value. See, substitute this in 3, we get X is equal to 105 minus 10Y, that is 105 minus 10 of 10, that is X equal to 105 minus 100, which is 5 rupees. Put a symbol here. Therefore, we conclude it. What is the conclusion? Now, fixed charge is what? We assumed X. Therefore, fixed charge is equal to 5 rupees. Then, charge per kilometer is equal to 10 rupees. Okay. Once we find the fixed charge and charge per kilometer, they have asked another part of the question. What is that? Let's see. How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometer? How much they have to pay for a traveling of 25 kilometer? Means, what is the charge per kilometer here? We got 1 kilometer charge is 10 rupees. For 25 kilometer, how much it is? Okay, therefore, we'll say X here. X is taken, right? We'll say question mark. Therefore, charge required is equal to cross multiply it 25 into 10, right, by 1. So it's the same as 25 into 10, that is 250 rupees. Therefore, conclude it. Person required amount to pay for 25-kilometer is is rupees. How much we got? 250. Okay, 250. Here, first you have to assume fixed charge is X and cost per kilometer is Y after the fixed charge. Then construct the equation. The amount what we pay after travel is fixed charge plus the distance traveled into charge per kilometer. That is what it is. X plus 10 kilometer means for a after fixed charge, Y is the charge, Y rupees we assumed. So 10Y. For 15 kilometer, X plus 15Y. 15 kilometer traveled and cost per kilometer plus the fixed charge. Okay. We'll see the last question in the main. That is third one, fifth question. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. We don't know the fraction, right? So we'll say let the fraction be x by y. Let the fraction be xy, where x is numerator, y is denominator. Now we'll say according to given. According to given, we start constructing the equation. See, just read properly. If fraction becomes 9 by 11 when if 2 is added to numerator and denominator both, means what is numerator here? X. Denominator is y. Therefore, x plus 2 by y plus 2, right, equal to 9 by 11. This is first equation. If 3 is added to both, it becomes 5 by 6, means x plus 3 by y plus 3 equal to how much it becomes? 5 by 6. These are the equations. Now, how do we solve them? We actually we can cross multiply and get the equations done first thing. Okay, how do we do that? See, 11 into x plus 2, 9 into y plus 2. Okay, 11 into x plus 2, 9 into y plus 2. That is, first you get the equations ready. That is the task here. Then you substitute. That is, let's see, 11 of, don't call these are 1 and 2 now itself, because we get the equation simplified next steps. We call them as 1 and 2. So 11 of x plus 2 equal to 9 of y plus 2. Solve this. 11x plus 22 equal to 9y plus 18. Take 9y left side. So 11x minus, otherwise what we'll do? Anyway, we are solving for x, right? So we say 11x is equal to 9y plus 18 plus 22. 11x equal to 9y plus 40. Therefore, x equal to 9y plus 40 by 11. This is one equation. Then cross multiply the other equation. What is other equation? 6 of x plus 3, right? 6 of x plus 3 equal to 5 of y plus 3. Wait. 6 of x plus 3 equal to 5 of y plus 3. That is 6x plus 18 equal to 5y plus 15. Then 6x plus minus 5y 6x minus 5y equal to 15 minus 18, right? I'm transposing 18 to right hand side, 5y to left hand side. Therefore, 6x minus 5y equal to minus 3. This is 2. Now we substitute x value in the 2. What do we get? See, 6 of x means 9y plus 40 by 11 minus 5y equal to minus 3. Equal to minus 3. We write from 1. So 6 into 9y, 54. 9 6 are 54y. Okay, it looks lengthier, but once you practice, it will be easy. 6 9 are 54y plus 6 4 are 240, means 40 are 240 by 11 minus 5y equal to minus 3. Cross multiply, take LCM. So 54y plus 240 minus 11 5 is 55y equal to minus 33. Okay. I hope I've done properly. 18 plus 22 is 42, right? At 40. Oh, my mistake. That's the reason. See, this becomes minus here. So minus 4 will come here. So this will be minus 4. Please correct yourself. This will be minus 4. I'll do this part again. Right. Okay. This part I'll solve in another page. Let's see. What are the equations we have? I'll take it in next slide. 6x minus 5y equal to minus 3. 6x minus 5y equal to minus 3. Then here x is 9y minus 4 by 11. X is 9y minus 4 by 11. Now substitute here. 6 of 9y minus 4 by 11 minus 5y equal to minus 3. 6 9 is 54y minus 6 4 is 24 by 11 minus 5y equal to minus 3. Take LCM, it will be 11 is the LCM. 54y minus 24, as it is, it will come 11 1 is 11 minus 11y is 55, y equal to minus 33. Once you pass the denominator to right hand side. Now 54y minus 55y is minus y equal to minus 33 plus 24. So minus y equal to minus 9, y equal to minus minus cancels 9. Okay. Now you substitute this in 3. This was actually what we called 1, right? Now substituting this in 1, we get, what do we get? X value. 9 of x, y is 9 minus 4 by 11. 9 9 is 81 minus 4 by 11. 81 minus 4 is what? Y is 9, right? 81 minus 4 is how much? 77, right? By 11. 11 on ja, 11 7 ja. Therefore, x equal to 7. Okay? X equal to 7. What is being asked? Just check the question. Find the fraction. What is the fraction we assumed? X by y. Therefore, just finally you conclude required fraction is x by y, that is 7 by 9. Okay. This last question, though it looks simple, right? Simple, but your cross multiplication and all has to be done properly. Okay. Thank you.